Give me a second. Welcome to my channel. I want to freaking die. I should have been saying I was driving. I'm going back to uni. I'm going back to school. I just can feel myself going back to the depressive and anxious hole in that university.
Left lane to keep left to merge onto I-805 North.
Okay, I gotta shut the fuck up. So welcome to my prepping for uni vlog. I look cute or do I look stupid? Be honest. I'm seeing like a lot of back to school videos and this girlies have already their backpack. They're like already have like their outfits and stuff. I have nothing. Nothing. I just have my presents. That's it. I mean, that shouldn't be enough, but now I'm heading to Daiso because I've been thinking about those chocolate hamburgers when I went to Japan. I wanna cry. Here's the thing, I'm almost graduating. But maybe it's because I don't know what the frick I'm gonna do after uni. If you see me reporting like 50 times, mind your own business, okay? I bought everything but a school-related stuff. I bought some flip-flops for my mom. I want to be like a cool mom, but I don't have kids, so I had to practice on my brother. Ta-da!
Can I eat it?
I got no one, not two, but 4 boxes. Eating containers. Ooh, I love you on my egg. And the only school-related stuff will be a clear pencil case and these cute food eraser stuff. I bought a Sunny Angel. I bought one for my cousin in Korea. And it was like her birthday. So she was like, you better give me a Sunny Angel. I haven't seen her in like a month. I don't know if she like already started school. We will see. Hello!
Oh my god. Gracias a mi hada madrina. No sabía que tenía una hada madrina.
Mira, ya estás tirando.
Yo no tirando.
Yo también quiero ver.
Okay. Ay, ¿viste la casa de los famosos?
¡Ay, qué bonito!
Le puedes poner un corazoncito.
Okay, it was kind of cute.
Está bonito.
I prefer it when it's like on the freezer. Huge part of going back to school is your vehicle. I need to wash it. It's bad. So this is my troubled backpack. Okay, so my old backpack was like cute. And it has like a lot of pockets. Probably I will go back to it. Cause I also go to the gym and this little thingy. This is an Adidas backpack. It's like light gray, light blue. I don't know what the fuck. You can see it like this is my new case that I got yesterday. This is so cute. Wow. Shit. Maybe no highlights. Maybe a couple. Mini fan. Of course, my wallet. This was my brother's notebook. But right now, this is like my Korean notebook. Good thing we don't use a lot of notebooks or paper, just in case. My headphones, of course. Ties, bobby pins, blah 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 blah. Hairbrush. I don't know. You know we need it. How is this called? Deodorant. We tie pen, lip balm, and dry shampoo for the gym. I also bring with me perfume, but I just figured out that this is the exact same perfume that my grandma uses. I don't want to smell like my grandma. A lock for the school gym. I don't know if I remember the password though.
I'm saying
Oh, I don't think that is the most efficient, but it's cute. So that's what I know that I'm gonna go again to Korea, so I wanted to like catch up with the language because I feel so dumb when I go there. So let's go. Suffocating. I just love doing compulsive shit. Hey, I'm back. Unfortunately for you, it's like 6 a.m. Today I have a doctor's appointment and then a nails appointment. After, I'm gonna go and spend some quality time with my mom. Since I'm not gonna see her like a lot next week because I'm gonna be on college. I'm using the Biore UV Aqua Rich sunscreen. I got it in Japan. I'm regret not getting 2 or 3 or 4 packages of this. This is so light on the skin, so good.
Qué bonitos ojos tienes.
¿Qué me da pílula?
¿Son verdes? ¿Cafés claros?
Caca, mis ojos.
No me quieres colgar mi...
No.
Please. Nice.
New hair, new nails, new jeans. Can you see? Let me give you a little backstory. So I originally this isn't what I asked for. I asked for this. I wanted this, but the girl with pop said that she didn't have the tools to do the effect of what I asked for. So I was like, okay.
La salsa es la llave, no, la clave de un buen teriyaki. A mí no me gusta la salsa. ¿No está? ¿Tan dulce? No está dulce. Está dulce. I need my blankie for this one.
I'm about to spend $172 for a parking permit for just a semester. Bro, that's insane.
No, pero la muchacha quería estudiar en los Estados Unidos americanos.
In other news, I was supposed to take off my braces this weekend, but my dentist moved it to the next week because, you know, the freaking hurricane is coming. I'm sorry, my mistake. $174. Did I say 71 or 74? And it's just the oro pedo, just freaking concrete. It's like, why? You know what? That's okay. It's fine. You need to have the rich mentality, you know? I need to convince myself that it's just a little money and like you're meant to be rich.
Money issues.
So since I'm not gonna take my braces until next week, I think the only thing that we have to do for this back to school video is to make a good ass skincare. So let's go. Hi, hello. Welcome to my bathroom. The fucking light is kind of shitty. Do I have control over it? Nah. But we were gonna work with it. I love this shirt, by the way.
Oh wait, the light is actually good on this camera. Double cleansing. Feel like doing a face mask. I like that it has like little tweezers. Oh hell no.